That makes a real easy line to see when I'm cutting. So I'm going to take these and I need to cut one end off of all of them. So when I'm cutting, I can cut anywhere along the length, you know, but I don't want to do that because I'm going to be too short. Where I'm going to start is I could start right there. As long as this end is past this side of the cut, I'm going to be okay. Right? If I do that, I'm going to be too short. I'm going to have a flat on the end. So I have to be somewhere like that or anywhere beyond that. But I'll start there. And when I'm cutting, I want to cut kind of gently. I'm going to cut like this. If you slide and do this, looks like this is a little bit off. I may have to fuss with this a little bit. See that? Something's going wrong with our fences. Not the case before. See that little space there? That's hitting there, but not. So that's going to throw me off. So I'm going to cut these all. We got to find a little shim. And I said to, you know, gentle. So how I cut, see how nice and smooth that is? Sometimes you find people and they'll do something like this. They'll think that you're supposed to cut like this. Everybody should notice the difference between those two cuts. When you use it like it's a buzzsaw, it's going to give you a cut like it's a buzzsaw.
Sure. Oh, okay.
So that's just cutting speed. Saw cut, don't try to fly through it. So let me cut this one. Chip on that one, but I have like an inch extra, so I'm going to just bring this up here and I'm going to cut this off again, and hopefully I can. There's not much I can do about that. It's just a combination of like the blade and the material is not really the material to be mitering, but. Cut everything. Because I'm mitering plywood, you're going to get some chipping. You're also going to get some of this. See how you got some pieces that are shorter and longer?
Mm-hmm.
That's because you're working in plywood. It's not really the material you should be doing this with. You should be doing this with some kind of solid wood. So what you're seeing there is all the short ones, grain running this way. It's just getting torn out. It's just part of what's going to happen. So don't worry about it. Unless it's really, really bad, unless it starts to look like that. You don't have to do it. Over here on the line somewhere. And then you're going to look over here somewhere, and you're going to put a mark somewhere, and then you're going to cut it. I don't know if you are going to mark on the line, to this side of the line, to that side of the line. What you should do is look at what you are doing as you are doing it. So when it is cut, it ends up being the right length. So if I put this here, and I'm right on top of the line, and then I come over here and I mark this right on top of the line, I probably want to just split that. If I mark it inside of the line slightly, I probably want to leave that whole mark. If I mark it slightly outside of it, then I probably want to take that whole mark off. It really is you, the pencil, and the saw together. I can't really tell you what you're going to do. But you need to look and see what you are doing so you can make those adjustments as you're doing it. That's part of fitting something. That mark is right there, and I know that I need it to be this length, so I need to adjust it on that mark. So I am going to just leave the mark. I'm going to come like this. I'm going to come down here like this. I'm going to bring my blade like that, and I'm going to stand up pretty close to where I need to be. And then I'm going to take my block and this.